Come on into my kitchen. I'm going to be preparing turkey patties smothered in gravy with some green onions. Oh, yeah. If you want to add mushrooms, that's optional. But we won't be having options with this one. These are all the seasonings. Let's get into this awesome recipe. All right, so we have 2 pounds of this turkey meat, ground turkey meat. And we're going to be adding all of those seasonings to this, and we're going to be making patties. Once we form these patties, we're going to refrigerate, and we're going to refrigerate overnight so that all those seasonings and all those flavors get melded into this turkey meat. We're adding our minced garlic, and we have garlic powder. And again, seasonings are to your taste. We have some Dale seasoning, it's a steak sauce. It's also going to give that nice dark color along with that Worcestershire sauce once it marinates. We're going to add some cornstarch. It's going to help it stay together. Egg is optional, but we're not going to add any eggs. We're using that cornstarch, and we're going to use the black pepper. So now we're going to get all this together, mixed together. So now we're ready to go ahead and form our patties. And as y'all see, I have my parchment paper that I'm laying it out on because, again, remember, we're going to refrigerate this overnight. All right, you guys, so we have the meat that's been marinating overnight. We're gonna go ahead and take them out of here, put them in the glass, my glass casserole dish. I'm gonna spray the pan with a little bit of this cooking oil for non-stick. We're gonna put it in the oven and let it bake until it's done at 350, maybe 30 minutes. And we're gonna have it with some good old fresh spinach, y'all, and maybe some potatoes, but definitely smothered in some gravy, onion, and some good old spinach. Oh yeah, this is another tour of Turkey. Oh yeah. All right, so we have the first pack of brown gravy sprinkled, and then we're just gonna sprinkle the other. So we have a total of 2. I have about a cup and a half of water that I'm gonna pour over in this as well. And kind of like hit it on the glass, don't pour it directly onto the meat. Just let the water just raise up over there. There we go. We'll give it a little shaky shake here. Little shaky shake. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and cut up an onion. I'm going to take the onion, microwave it for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to put it on top of this. All right, so we got our little green onions cut up, and we're just going to sprinkle them in here on top. Give it that nice little sweet onion flavor. Oven's already preheated. Again, 350 degrees. We're gonna put a cover on this and let it bake. Just make sure we get this covered up there. There we go. All right, let's put aluminum foil shiny side down, and we're gonna put it in the oven, and let's see how it looks when it comes out. Oh yeah, baby. All right, you guys, so it's been a little over 30 minutes, been about 35 minutes. Everything's looking really good. I'm just gonna stir it around a little bit, take it, and then I'll flip the patties over. And then we're gonna let it stay in the oven uncovered for another 10-15 minutes. All right, now we're gonna, it's been cooking for like 35 minutes. Now we're gonna put it back in the oven, uncovered, for an additional 10 minutes. And let that gravy thicken up. All right, so we just pulled this out of the oven. And look at that. You talking about some good old delicious, seasoned, tasty turkey patties smothered in gravy with onions. Oh yeah. Come on to the table. You're seeing this made on my cooking channel, PromoSTK, Sheila's Creations Way. But come watch us eat this at PromoSTK, Eating Good in the Neighborhood, when we do our challenge for the tour of Turkey. Oh yeah, baby.